Yes, welcome back to Why Not DIY. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment. It is a new channel, but if you subscribe now, you will get the new content. Hit the bell so that you can get notifications. So when I upload my new content, you will have everything that you need, And then 2023, it's only up from here. So many new ideas that will be coming in. So again, subscribe, share, comment. It will not only be Christmas stuff. We're just in the season, but I do have new ideas for our house in general, for our home, kitchen, bathroom, bedrooms, and such. So let's get started. For this Christmas or ugly Christmas sweater, I put a spin on a shirt that I've had in my closet for some time. I am using Dollar Tree Snow. It had to adhere overnight, so it is a little flaky, but I took care of that. It did dry, it did adhere to the shirt, and it worked out perfectly. So I'm excited to show you guys my spin on an ugly Christmas sweater, or in this case, a shirt, an 8 or 9 year old shirt that I had at that. So here I am just trying to see where I want to put all my items. They are Dollar Tree items once again. From Dollar Tree headbands, I took off the little snowmen, reindeers, Christmas trees. I am using Dollar Tree snowflakes and other items that help me make this $6 Christmas tree shirt. So exciting. So here for your snowman, you can actually use cotton balls and stick those together to get the width of the snowman that you like. But for me, I just used some extra felt that I had, and I kind of balled it up until the type of, the length or the width of the ball that I wanted my snowman to be, and went from there. Now I did take these little thingies off of each headband, and I use those as arms for my snowman. So things are just coming along. My ideas were just flowing here. I have completed the bottom portion, so now I'm working on the top portion. Again, those are Dollar Tree headbands for the reindeer. I took those off of the headbands and used the bigger headband with the horns on my sleeves. I wanted it to kind of pop out, and then I'm not going to leave those little reindeer that you seen there. I'm actually not going to use those, or I am. Just stay tuned. Framing out the shirt so that the words are not showing. Also, guys, I do have cardboard in between my shirt. So open up the shirt, slide some cardboard in. That way when you're gluing everything down, it doesn't attach to the inside back of your shirt, if that makes sense. Now, this was one of my favorite parts. I was trying to see if I wanted to use the Dollar Tree necklace. It's like a little light up necklace that goes around your neck. I was looking at the bottom on the tree to try to fit it there, but it didn't look all that to me. So I actually decided to put it around the frame of the reindeers there in like a little picture frame that I made. So I'm gonna put it there. So again, I was deciding if I wanted to use the flashing necklace on the Christmas tree at the bottom there, but I did decide to go ahead and go with the top of the shirt where the reindeers are, where my little frame is at. And I actually took a ribbon off of a snowman and used, or the scarf of a snowman, and used it as the top of my Christmas tree there. So ideas were just a flowing. Here I was working on the bottom of the shirt again to see if the lights fit on the Christmas tree, but I didn't like the way it looked. So again, I just placed it around the frame and glued it down once I liked it to my satisfaction. And here, just finishing up the little details where, it still was looking a little scraggly, but, just getting all the little glue off, gluing down parts that weren't all the way glued, and just finishing up some little details. And there's a close-up, not a good pic. There's another one. I hope that everything is showing okay for you guys, and I will link more and upload more in the future. Again, not just seasonal items. So make sure that you continue to follow my channel on Facebook, Nella Bay Hawkins, and here on YouTube, which is YWHY, not KNOTDIY.